Hello, my dear students. We are having next question. And in this question, a particle having charge 20 microcoulomb and mass 20 microgram, moving along a circle of radius 5 centimeter under the action of magnetic field B equal to 1.0 Tesla. When the particle is at a point P, a uniform electric field is switched on, and it is found that the particle continues on the tangent through P with a uniform velocity. Find the electric field. Okay, so if this charged particle moving on circular path, let us consider this is the circular path of radius r. Okay, whenever charged particle is moving in uniform magnetic field, normally this magnetic force will behave like centripetal force. So the magnetic force will be toward the center. This is the magnetic force Fm. So what is this magnetic force? This Fm magnetic force is equal to QVB. Okay, and if we are switching on the electric field, okay, so the electric field is, in this case, in this special case, this electric field is exactly opposite to the magnetic force at this point P. Okay, exactly opposite to the magnetic force, and the magnetic force is exactly opposite to the, sorry, this electric force, that is Fe, is exactly opposite to the magnetic force Fm. That's why this charged particle will now experience there is no force, and it will move uniformly on the tangential path with velocity v. So the net force will become equal to 0, and this magnetic force will become equal to electric force in opposite direction. So this magnetic force, that is QVB, is equal to Q into E. What is the electric force? Whenever charged particle plays in electric field E, it will experience force, that is Q into E. So this Q will cancel out, then this electric field is equal to V into B. But in our question, this velocity is not given. Magnetic field is equal to 1 Tesla, but velocity is not given. So we can find the velocity of this charged particle using the concept of radius. What is the radius of this circular path? That is mv divided by qb, when there is no electric field was there. So mv divided by qb. So what is this m? It is given as 20 microgram. So 20 into 10 raised to power minus 6, it will convert into gram. By multiplying 10 raised to power minus 3, it will convert now into kilogram. And velocity is not given, it is unknown variable. Q, that is 20 micro, so 20 into 10 raised to power minus 6, and magnetic field is 1 Tesla. So this 10 raised to power minus 6, 10 raised to power minus 6 will cancel out, and the radius is given as 5 centimeters. So 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2, you have to convert it into meter. So 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 is equal to 20 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into velocity divided by 20. So this 20 will cancel out. Okay, and the velocity will become 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by 10 raised to power minus 3. So definitely it will be 50 meter per second. What is the velocity? 50 meter per second. So this electric field E is equal to velocity 50 and the magnetic field 1 Tesla. So it is equal to 50 volt per meter, or you can say Newton per coulomb. So that is the electric field. So that is called Lorentz force, whenever electric and magnetic force simultaneously acting on a charged particle. So the magnetic force is equal to QVB and electric force is equal to Q into E. And the special condition when this charged particle move without any deflection, so the net force, that is the magnetic force, and the electric force will balance each other, and that is the same case, this charged particle will move without any acceleration, uniform motion without any acceleration, without any deviation. Thank you very much.